you have any prayers in your minds, please pray and recite these, and this is the right time for all prayers. Charanagadottare Dhotraya Chaturdasha Bhuvanadishwaraya Akhilandakoti Brahmandanayakaya Brahmandasya Urdhvadeshe Sarva Shruti Vidhita Ravikoti Prakasha Goloka Vasinyaha Bhagyodayaya Shri Bhu Neela Viraja Sevita Padapankajaya Shri Raseshwari Prananathaya Tattvadhitaya Paratparaya Satchitananda Vigrahaya Somavamsa Pavanaya Shri Yadukula Vamshodbhavasya Vidurata Maharaja Varmanaha Naptre Surasena Devamida Maharaja Varmanaha Pautraya Vasudeva Anaka Dhundupi Varmana Putraya Shri Krishna Chandra